Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your pizza box smaller. This simple trick helps you manage waste more effectively. Large pizza boxes often take up a lot of room, making your recycling bin overflow quickly. By reducing their size, you free up valuable space, making your home tidier and your recycling routine much smoother. It's a quick and easy way to improve your waste disposal habits. The most common and easiest way to reduce your pizza box size involves simple folding. First, open the box fully, laying it flat on a clean surface. Next, take two opposite sides and fold them inward, meeting in the middle. Press down firmly to create sharp creases. Then, fold the remaining two sides over the first folds, creating a compact, flat package. This method works for most standard pizza boxes. For even more compact disposal, you can use an advanced technique involving cutting. Carefully use sturdy scissors or a utility knife to cut the box into 4 smaller, manageable sections. Always exercise caution when using sharp tools. Once cut, you can stack these pieces neatly, making them incredibly flat. Remember to remove any heavily greased sections, as these are often not recyclable and should be discarded separately. Making your pizza box smaller offers several fantastic benefits. You'll maximize the space in your recycling bin, potentially reducing how often you need to take it out. It also makes transporting your recycling much easier and less cumbersome. Plus, a smaller, neater stack of cardboard simply looks better than a bulky, open box. It's a small effort that leads to significant improvements in your home's waste management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.